Valentine's Day, it's in 1 week, and if you don't have reservations but you do plan to go to dinner with your significant other, you'd better act fast. But there are thousands of restaurants to choose from, so how do you find just the right one? Well, we have you covered. Here's 7 and our Thursday's top 7.
The perfect Valentine's Day is just spending time together, being with each other, whether it's going out to dinner or just having takeouts.
And if you are looking to go out, here are the top 7 romantic restaurants from our online viewer poll. IRIDESCENCE comes in at number 7. In addition to its great food, IRIDESCENCE is also known for its panoramic view of the Detroit skyline. CAFÉ CORTINA in Farmington Hills lands in 6. The food is rustic Italian, and the setting is inspired by the Italian countryside. Detroit's GIOVANNI'S comes in 5th. A mother and son team lead GIOVANNI'S as they cook up classic Italian cuisine. They're also modern-inspired dishes, too. Savor seafood? Try Joe MUER. Their newest location is in Bloomfield Hills. Both the Detroit and Bloomfield Hills spots score high on the romance meter. The Whitney comes in at number 3. Here you can dine in all the romance and charm of this 19th century mansion. Be sure to check out Detroit's hip Ghost Bar for drinks before your Valentine's Day meal. Andiamo Detroit Riverfront lands in 2nd. It's fine dining along the Detroit River. The pasta is from scratch and the beef is aged in-house. The kitchen expects to serve up to 700 guests Valentine's Day, and don't be surprised if someone pops the question.
We always get people engaged here all the time, and Valentine's Day is a huge day for that.
The top spot in our online viewer poll goes to Mr. Paul's Chop House in Roseville. Steak and seafood are their claims to fame. Mr. Paul's has live music Tuesday through Saturday evening, so count on music to set the mood this Valentine's Day.
Now, some restaurants do offer special menus for Valentine's Day. For instance, IRIDESCENCE offers a 4-course prix-fixe menu for $85 per person. You should check out their websites of all the restaurants in the area to get a sneak peek of those Valentine's Day offerings and find out if, the menu that they're offering that day is going to be good for you.
Often has like wine pairings. IRIDESCENCE has that amazing view.
Without a doubt. But you better act fast because these places are booking up.
Yeah, that's understandable.